welcome to my channel. My name's Hayley and I love anything to do with art. So I've got some cold pressed watercolour paper which I've taped down with some masking tape, and I've got some Kuretake colours here today. I love these Kuretake colours. I've got Imperial Violet, purple, I've got cadmium yellow and cherry blossom. So I've got a brush here, size 10, and I'll just put my water over there. I'm just going to do a sort of landscapey kind of look. So I'm going to go with the pink and just do a very, very pale wash at the top, sort of representing the sky. Just layering it on, just bringing it down the page as I go. Just adding a bit of water, making it paler as it comes down that page. Okay, so now I'm going to start at the bottom. I've got the purple and I'm just going to make some little shapes. Little roundy kind of shapes, could represent bushes, anything which comes to mind. So I'm leaving a bit of the white of the page, and then I'm going to go on to my next colour. So I'm going to use this lovely yellow. Looks really nice against the purple, opposite sides of the colour wheel here, so that looks really, really good together. Leaving a bit of a gap in some other places, and then moving on to another colour. This is a really lovely colour. I love this colour. So I'm going to let these mix a bit, let there be some gaps. Don't be too precious about it. Bring some of that colour down here. And then I'm going to move on to the purple again. Again, same principle, some gaps, some not gaps, sort of a jaggedy kind of motion, bringing it down, and then mixing some of these colours here. Just being free, just letting them mix as they want to. Changing again to yellow. Still got a bit of purple in that yellow, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to let the colours mix here. And then some of this beautiful red colour here. Bringing that down across the page. Letting the colours mix as they go. And then as I'm getting towards the top, sort of getting towards that skyline, so I'm just going to do a few bits and bobs of colour here and there. And then I'm just going to let that dry. I'm just going to add a little bit more to this. So some of it's dry, some of it's still a bit wet there. Just wanted a bit more detail. I thought it looked a bit flat. So where the paint's dried, just adding some additional colour over the top. I'm using a smaller brush, dragging the paint across, just as you would a landscape really. So grabbing a black fine liner pen and then making these shapes. They're sort of like triangles, two little triangles on a stick there, and then doing this tree shape here. So you can do any shapes you think. So you can do like little sticks and tree shapes, bush shapes. That look really, really good. Doing some little triangles here, putting them on little sticks. Adding some detail in there, adding some little lines. So just making up this landscape using this black fine liner pen and adding these shapes. There's a lot of repeat patterns on here and I quite like repeat patterns, and you might want to go wild and put lots of different shapes on. Just go with your feelings, how you feel about this. The great thing about art, there is no wrong way. It's just your way. So just express yourself and get those marks on the paper. hope you like this. If you like this, maybe you'll like and subscribe. Maybe you'll leave me a comment. Let me know whether you try this. I really hope you do. It's really, really easy and it makes you feel really happy inside. So I'd love to hear your comments, whether you get to do this, what colours you're going to use, etc. And I'll come straight back to you. So I've grabbed a white gel pen. It's a Unipen broad pen that I'm using here. Leaves a lovely white line, and I'm just repeat patterning again, doing these little tree shapes. I'm going to do some little triangles here and there, and then I'm just going to add some little dots for some details. So when you think you've finished, then grab a gold gel pen and then just outline the sides of your page. So just using the pressure of your pen, push it against the tape and just go round that border. So when you peel away the tape, it'll just leave a lovely border. It will look like a lovely white frame. So I've heated up the tape with the hairdryer just to get that glue nice and warm so that it doesn't tear the page when I pull the tape off. And then I'm just bringing up the picture to the camera so you can see all that lovely detail, all the lovely colours and all that pen work. So I hope you've enjoyed this and I hope you get to try. As you saw, it's just so easy to do, and it really gets you in that arty zone. Simple little project. Thanks for watching. Bye.